Imagine you've opted for a free savings account with less than 1% compound interest. You've taken the first step towards financial security, albeit a slow and steady one. Picture every dollar you deposit into this account as a seed. You plant it, water it, and wait for it to grow. But with less than 1% interest, it's like trying to grow a mighty oak tree in a desert. It's possible, but it's a slow crawl. Now let's talk about taxes. Each year, when the tax season rolls around, Uncle Sam comes knocking. Even though your money grows at a snail's pace, the taxman still wants his share. That's right, a portion of your already minuscule interest earnings will be snatched away. It's like watching your tiny sapling grow, only to have its leaves plucked off one by one. But what about the future? You might think, at least I'm leaving something for my loved ones. Well, let me paint you a picture. With this type of account, there's no real wealth transfer. Your hard-earned savings, your legacy, it doesn't grow. It stays the same, just like that tiny sapling in the desert. Your loved ones get the seed you planted, but they miss out on the lush, towering tree it could have become. They miss out on the shade, the security, and the support they deserve. So, you've opted for a free savings account with less than 1% compound interest. You've chosen the slow crawl, you've chosen to watch your money grow at a snail's pace, to share your earnings with Uncle Sam, and to leave behind a stagnant legacy. In this scenario, the financial future of your family remains uncertain. But remember, this is just one option. There are other choices, other paths towards financial security. The question is, which path will you choose? Now, shift your attention to a different path. A savings account with tax-free growth and a dazzling 5% plus compound interest rate. This isn't your average piggy bank, folks. It's like a powerful engine turning your hard-earned dollars into a roaring financial machine. Imagine watching your money grow at a pace that outstrips inflation. A pace that makes your financial dreams more than just a distant possibility. You're not merely saving, you're multiplying your wealth. And the best part? It's all tax-free. That's right, unlike the traditional savings account we discussed earlier, Uncle Sam won't be dipping into your interest earnings. You get to keep every single cent of your growth, which means your savings are always moving forward, never backward. But that's not all. The real magic of this account is its potential for generational wealth transfer. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does that mean? Well, it's quite simple. This savings account doesn't just benefit you, it benefits your children and their children and their children's children. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Think of it as planting a seed. Over time, with the right care and nourishment, that seed grows into a tree, and that tree bears fruit. The fruit nourishes you, but it doesn't stop there. The seeds from that fruit can be planted by your children and their children and so on. Each generation benefits from the tree you planted, and each generation can plant their own trees. That's generational wealth transfer. It's the power to impact not just your life, but the lives of those who come after you. It's the power to provide financial security for your loved ones, for generations to come. In this scenario, you're not just securing your future, but the future of your loved ones as well. You're not just saving money, you're creating a legacy. You're not just making a choice for today, you're making a choice for tomorrow and the day after, and the day after that. So as you consider your savings options, remember this. A slow crawl might get you to your destination eventually, but a leap forward, that can get you there faster and it can take others with you. It's not just about what you gain, it's about what you give. And with this savings account, you have the opportunity to give so much more than just money. You have the opportunity to give security, stability, and a brighter future. You have the opportunity to make a difference not just in your life, but in the lives of those who come after you. You have the opportunity to leave a legacy, and that, my friends, is a leap worth taking. But here's the game changer: generational wealth transfer. It's a concept that has the potential to redefine your family's financial future. At its core, generational wealth transfer is about passing on assets from one generation to the next, and so on. Imagine this. You've worked hard your entire life, and you've accumulated a decent amount of savings. But what happens to that money after you're gone? If you've chosen the path of a traditional savings account, your loved ones may receive some of it, but a significant portion could be lost to taxes and other fees. Now let's flip the script. What if instead, you've chosen a tax-free growth account? This option allows your wealth to not only grow exponentially during your lifetime, but also continue to do so for generations after you. This is the magic of generational wealth transfer. This isn't just about leaving a legacy, it's about creating a financial safety net for your children, and even their children's children. It's about ensuring that they have the resources to pursue their dreams, to weather any financial storms they might face. and to live comfortably and securely. Generational wealth transfer is about more than money. It's about the peace of mind that comes from knowing your loved ones are taken care of. It's about the joy of watching them succeed, knowing that they have a solid financial foundation to build upon. And the best part? This isn't some unattainable dream. It's a real, tangible option that you have the power to choose. With the right savings account, you can turn this dream into reality, ensuring that your hard-earned money continues to grow and support your family for generations to come. So, what legacy will you leave? Will you opt for the slow crawl of a traditional savings account, or will you take the leap towards financial freedom and generational wealth? The power to secure a comfortable financial future for your family for generations to come lies in your hands. So, the choice is yours. We've laid out two paths for you, both leading to a future where your money works for you, but they're not created equal. Let's take a moment to place these two options side by side to truly understand their implications. On the left we have option 1. It's the familiar path, the one most people take. A free savings account where your money grows, albeit at a pace that would make a tortoise yawn. Sure, you see some growth, but it's a slow crawl. And let's not forget about the tax man who's always ready to take his share. This path, while safe, doesn't offer much in terms of wealth transfer. Your hard-earned savings won't necessarily benefit your loved ones much after you're gone. Now let's shift our gaze to the right. Here lies option 2. It's the path less taken, but it's paved with gold. A savings account that's not just about saving, but growing your wealth. With an impressive 5% or more compound interest rate, your money multiplies faster than you can count. And the cherry on top? It's tax-free. Your earnings are yours to keep, every last cent of it. But what makes this path truly stand out is the power of generational wealth transfer. It's about creating a financial legacy that extends beyond your lifetime. Your savings aren't just for you, they're for your children, your grandchildren, and even their children. It's a leap forward towards financial freedom, not just for you, but for generations to come. So take a moment to consider these two paths. One, a slow crawl with little benefit. The other, a leap towards financial freedom and generational wealth. The choice isn't just about what you want for yourself, it's about what you want for your family, for their future, and the legacy you wish to leave behind. Which path will you choose? The slow crawl with little benefit or the leap towards financial freedom and generational wealth? The future of your family's financial security is in your hands. It's a weighty decision, isn't it? But remember, every choice you make today is an investment in tomorrow. It's not just about the money you'll save or the interest you'll earn, it's about the legacy you'll leave behind. It's about the opportunities you'll create for your loved ones, the doors you'll open for them. The slow crawl or the leap forward, which path aligns with your vision for the future? Remember, the future is not something that just happens, it's something you shape with the decisions you make today. So take a moment, take a breath, think about it. Your choice could be the difference between a future of financial insecurity and a future of financial freedom. Choose wisely and secure the financial future your family deserves.